So I was on the way home. This majestic guy here brought me to this view. A cat and a sea view. Life doesn't get any better than this. And vlog time is back. And the plan today is, because I'm staying there, the plan is to move this way along the beach. These beaches here between the two resorts are wild beaches. It takes about a 60-minute walk to go from one resort to the other. Otherwise, it's September and we have 26 degrees today. So it's absolutely perfect. It's not hot, it's not too cold either, so it's absolutely on point weather. That pretty much wraps up what the plan today is. And I don't know, see you there. I will show you where exactly. The edge of the cliff has a museum. And the water there is nothing like this. The water there is absolutely, I think we can compare, it's a bit greenish, but I think we can compare it with the Azure water at the French Riviera. I may be overestimating it a little bit, but we will see when we get there. So see you there. And boom, finally made it to the edge of the cliff. This is the thing that you saw in the previous footage. And I'm inside the museum of the old Thracian village. There's very cool stuff here. You've got some old anchors, very big anchors. This must be about 100 years old, I'm not sure, but this must be heavy as hell to keep a ship in one place. And these things right here are probably 1,500 years old, and they're still hard as stone. If we move to that side, I'm gonna show you the old church which used to, or remainings of the old church which used to stand in this village. Right now I'm inside the remainings of the old church which used to stand here, and you can see it right there on the poster. The coolest thing about this museum is in fact the view that you get from the edge of the cliff, which is the end of this church. When I turn around, you will not believe your eyes. Look at this. Wow, right? It's amazing. Now let me tell you a little bit about this place. So the city of Byala actually lies at the approximate center of the Bulgarian sea coast. It's the most isolated out of all of the resorts and little towns at the coast. Mostly because there are no big cities around it. There's only a couple of villages around it, and mainly the coast here is rockier than the other resorts, where you have lots of sand, while here you have more stone, and the beaches are not that big. Okay, so we're pretty much done with the museum, and now we will move towards the beaches. We will get closer towards the white cliffs of Byala, which are very nice as well. They are actually part of a national park, so they're a preserved area. So there's no chance of big hotels getting built up there. And here we are, finally made it. Almost to the white cliffs. This right there is the central beach of Byala. And the water does not disappoint, especially the color of it. And now for the remaining part of the video, I think I'll show you a nice little cinematic sequence I'm about to make. So enjoy.